Before we dive right in, kindly subscribe to our channel, and like for more content. You may be thinking, whether smoothies can actually make you lose weight? Yes, research has found that meal replacements in liquid form, such as protein fruit vegetable smoothies, have been shown to aid weight loss. They're quick and easy to make, and they could easily take the place of a typical junk food breakfast. This video does not replace a one-on-one relationship with a qualified healthcare professional, or give medical advice, diagnosis, or treatment. Before beginning this plan, always get the opinion of your doctor, or another experienced healthcare practitioner. These are the reasons why smoothie detox is a healthy and essential way for weight loss. It aids in the healing of digestive system abnormalities that lead to weight loss failure. It balances your blood sugar levels, that leads to fat storage, because high blood sugar levels increase your craving. A smoothie detox allows you to appreciate the flavor of healthy food once more. Junk food tends to dull the taste buds. It eliminates junk food cravings. When you can taste and appreciate the flavor of good food, you won't crave the bad foods as much. It helps you get rid of stress and negative emotions that cause weight gain. A detox is an amazing way to give yourself some well-deserved self-care, rest, and reflection time. So, the best thing about smoothies is that they are nutrient-dense and simple to prepare. They're tasty, high in fiber, and a fantastic way to lose weight. Keep these tips in mind when making the smoothies. Use unsweetened almond milk, or other milk of choice, as your liquid because it is low in calories, high in vitamins and minerals, and has a good consistency. Fill your blender in the following order: start with the frozen fruits and vegetables, then the protein powder if adding any, then the liquid. If your smoothie is excessively sweet, squeeze in some lemon juice. Add pineapple, orange, or banana if the flavor is too bitter. In smoothies, natural sweeteners like honey and pure maple syrup work well. Avocado adds smoothness to a smoothie while also providing a lot of nutrients. The riper the banana, the sweeter the shake. Add coconut water for hydration and natural electrolytes. Add ginger or turmeric for great immune support. Greens like spinach or kale adds loads of vitamins, minerals, and fiber. For taste and vitamin C, use lemon or frozen peaches. Now that you are aware of the basics, are you ready to get started? While the outcomes of these smoothie detoxes are extremely gratifying, it is vital to keep in mind that the next days you start will not be simple. You are likely to develop desires and cravings for solid and unhealthy foods at some point. However, days 1 to 4, in my experience, are the most difficult, while your body adjusts to the detox. It's tempting to give up and say I will start all over on Monday. During this period, I strongly advise you to persevere. These desires should be gone, or considerably reduced by day 4. You should also start to see some fantastic benefits, such as a smaller tummy, a healthier, and more energized feeling, along with glowing skin. Instead of focusing on the negatives, you'll find yourself focusing on the benefits. For more guidelines, and a proven way to lose weight on the smoothie diet plan, we have included a link in the description. We have also included the recipes for the smoothies in the description below. Smoothie 1 is the belly fat burner. This includes a handful of baby spinach, 2 teaspoons of flaxseed, 1 large orange, 2 medium cups of mango, and pineapple chunks. Add some sweetener if preferred along with water. Consume this throughout the day for breakfast, lunch, and dinner. This smoothie contains a healthy dose of fiber, protein, and omega-3 that boosts your immune system, improves digestion, clears your skin, and provides anti-inflammatory benefits. Smoothie 2, we call this the body slimmer. Add water, a handful of spinach, and kale. 2 teaspoons of flax or chia seeds, 2 cups of watermelon, and mango chunks along with raspberries. This also contains a healthy dose of fiber and omega-3. It helps soothe the muscles and burn stubborn fat, improves digestion, and clears the skin. Smoothie 3, the Big Green Cleanse. Add coconut water, a handful of spinach, and kale. A small cup of cucumber, 2 kiwis, 1 apple, 1 banana, 2 tablespoons of lemon juice and 1 medium pear. This contains vitamin A, C, E, K, and B. It cleanses the liver and the kidney, improves digestion, boosts metabolism, and heals the body as it cleanses it. Smoothie 4, Bloating Diffuser. At this point your body is adjusting to the intake of your diet. As your body makes these changes, your tummy bloats. In order to tackle that, we include the bloating diffuser, which reduces bloating, soothes the stomach, improves your energy levels, and provides anti-inflammatory benefits. It includes 3 cups of water, 3 handfuls of baby spinach, 2 tablespoons of flax seeds, 3 cups of pineapple chunks, 3 medium bananas, and a handful of mint leaves. Smoothie 5. This is by far my favorite smoothie, maybe because of how it tastes. Drop in the comments section what smoothie appeals to you the most, and would become your favorite. This includes coconut milk, water, a handful of spinach, a teaspoon of chia or flax seeds, 2 medium banana, a handful of strawberries, blueberries, raspberries, and vanilla extract, and some ground cinnamon if needed. This smoothie is of course a good source of antioxidants and burns of stubborn belly fat. Can you come up with a good name for this smoothie? Let us know in the comments section. You can have snacks in between the smoothies. We recommend baby carrots, celery, cucumber, healthy salads, hard-boiled eggs with hummus. If you like this video, make sure to subscribe to our channel, and like this video, for more content. Let us know what other videos you would like to see.